Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in my YouTube channel. Uh, this is Sindhu, currently pursuing my engineering electronics and communication from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject name Applied Chemistry. Section Infinity, USN 23 EC 1983. Topic is Corrosion Science. Introduction to corrosion. Corrosion science is the study of chemical and electrochemical process that cause deterioration of materials due to their interaction with the environment. Understanding corrosion is essential for preventing damage to structures, equipments, and infrastructures. Corrosion science encompasses various fields including chemistry, material science, and engineering. Types of corrosion. We can see two main types of corrosions. First one is differential metal corrosion. Differential metal equations occurs when two dissimilar metal are in contact with each other and exposed to a corrosive conducting medium. The metal with a lower electrode potential acts as anode and undergoes oxidation and get corroded, and the other metal with higher electrode potential acts as cathode and undergoes reduction and protected from a corrosion. Second one is differential aeration corrosion. When a metal is exposed to different concentration of air, a part of the metal exposed to a lower concentration of oxygen becomes anodic and undergoes corrosion, whereas other part of the metal exposed to higher concentration of oxygen becomes cathodic and remains unaffected. This kind of corrosion is called as differential aeration corrosion. We can see two types in differential aeration corrosion. The first one is waterline corrosion. It is observed in a steel or a iron water tanks partially filled with water. When a steel tank is partially filled with the water for a long time, the inner portion of the tank below the water line is exposed only to dissolve oxygen, whereas the portion above the water line is exposed to more oxygen. Thus the portion below the water line acts as anode and undergoes corrosion. The upper portion acts as cathode and is unaffected. The second one is pitting corrosion. Pitting corrosion results when the portion of the metal covered by dust, which is less aerated, becomes anodic and undergoes corrosion and it forms pit. The remaining areas of the metal which is exposed to higher concentration of oxygen becomes cathodic and remains unaffected. Corrosion control methods. We can see some of the corrosion control methods. And the first one is protecting coating. Corrosion is prevented by the application of protective coating on the surface of metal, thereby the metal surface is isolated from the corrosive environment. And next is metal coating. The process of coating base metal with a layer of protective metal is known as metal coating. And the example of metal coating is anodic coating. The coating metal is anodic to base metal is called anodic coating, and the example is galvanization. Galvanization is the process of coating zinc on the base metal surface by hot dipping is known as galvanization. Inorganic coating. These coatings are produced at the surface of the metal by chemical or electrochemical reactions, and the example of inorganic coatings are anodizing and phosphating. The cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is the technique of offering protection to a specimen against corrosion by providing electrons from an external source. Corrosion testing. Salt spray testing. Subjects materials to a salt water mixed to evaluate their resistance to corrosion. Immersion testing. It involves immersing materials in corrosive solutions for extended periods to stimulate real-world conditions. And last one is accelerated corrosion testing. It uses accelerated conditions to evaluate the long-term performance of materials in a shortened time frame. Corrosion control in industries. Oil and gas industries. Corrosion control is crucial for pipelines, storage tanks, and offshore equipments to prevent leaks and failures. Automotive industry. Corrosion protection is essential for vehicle bodies and exhaust systems. Aerospace industries. Corrosion prevention is critical for aircraft structures, engines, and it ensures safety and reliability. Summary and a conclusion. The corrosion science is a multidisciplinary field that studies the process and prevention of materials deterioration due to the environmental interactions. Understanding corrosion mechanisms and employing preventive measures are essential for maintaining the integrity and longevity of structures and equipment. Ongoing research and technological advancements in corrosion science are driving the development of innovative solutions for corrosion prevention and control. This is all about corrosion. Thank you.